my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do two unboxing. I got the parts. It came in today. I ordered this radiator for my car, for my Toyota Avalon. But first of all, if you're new, hit that like, hit that hype button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. You feel me? Yeah, so your boy down here in the garage, about to do an unboxing on the brand new radiator. I bought it off Amazon. It was like $165 and change. And as you can see the name, hopefully you guys can see it. This is the Denso genuine part that Toyota actually uses. And also I'm gonna do a unboxing on our, what's the name of this? Man, the belt, the serpentine belt. And this brand is Aisin, guys. And this Aisin is another OEM that Toyota also use. So it's a good brand, guys, genuine. So first, let's bust this open. Feel me? I love it, I love it, I love it. They they really did a good job on how they have this seal really good, you know. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. You feel me? So I have this knife down here. I'm down here in the garage, so all kind of stuff is all over the place. And I know you guys gonna get used to seeing this color. You guys remember this color before? It remind you of the motor mounts box that I had got. Yes, Aisin. Leave it right here. The seal right here to like let me try to, it's like a sticker or something to seal it. Just to let you know that it's brand new. And this right here is actually $34 that I bought it. And if you're trying to get something, make sure it's OEM and genuine. You feel me? If you try to get a car part, make sure. I know it's gonna cost a little bit more, but it's gonna last. It's gonna last a longer time. It's gonna last. So it really did a good job by folding it up. Yeah, they really did a good job folding it up. I don't even want to unravel it, but this is a brand new serpentine belt. You're supposed to, basically, it's starting to get hot in here too. You're supposed to change your serpentine belt every 90 to 100,000 to 120,000 miles. And your mechanic could easily check to see if your belt have any cracks. You feel me? Look like it's dry rotting or whatever, because you know the constant heat you're driving, the engine heats up and every part's moving, so your belt, you know, is running off the compressor, the water pump, all that moving parts. So over time it wear out, but it give you like maybe about 90. You're supposed to change it like about 90 to 120,000 miles. So this is a OEM brand new Aisin Toyota part that Toyota actually uses. Another brand that Toyota uses. Yeah, so this is a serpentine belt. I would unravel it, but I don't want it. I want to actually put it back into the box so you guys can see. You feel me? So yeah, so this is one part of the unboxing out of the way. They actually did a good job with, you know, seal it real good in the box like that. Not bad. All right, the second thing now is the radiator. So brand new radiator. This is Denso. This is not a Toyota parts, brand that they use that Toyota trusts in, because it's very reliable and it lasts a longer time. It lasts a long time. So I don't know if I got it upside down or what's the case may be. And I'm gonna try to open it to see how it looks, because you know the shipping and everything, you know how they be throwing stuff. So I want to make sure before, you know, you got to check. You got to check your product. You know, got to check your items. I am struggling. This look like the bottom. Definitely look like the bottom. Look like it's upside down. Alright. Yep, it's upside down, guys. It's upside down. Alright, so they do have some cushioning to like block so the middle part don't get messed up at all. So they did a good job. As you can see, it is brand new. I don't see no dents, no nothing. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is the tool that you open and let the coolant go out, come out of it. This is where the top hose and where you actually pour the coolant in. Denso brand, brand new guys. You see it? This is the bottom line where the bottom hose go. This is the top hose. So not bad, guys. Brand new Denso radiator straight out of the box, looking clean and nice. Looking really good. I gotta put that back on there because I don't want to mess nothing up. Not bad, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know this was not too bad at all, but I'm starting to get hot, really hot. So this is how the radiator look like, guys. This is your radiator. Without this, you're not gonna have no AC. You're not gonna be able to drive the car either, because the car is gonna overheat without this. You need this. See how everything works? Everything connect. You need this for AC, and you also need this to cool down the car. Without this, you're not going nowhere. So yeah, looks good. Brand new. Brand new, brand new. Looks good, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put it back into the box. I'm gonna flip it back around. So I had it like this. It was upside down. So yeah. Yeah, guys. Yep. This is the bottom part. Yep. So brand new. Looking good. Denso, once again, make sure you guys, if you're trying to shop online, make sure for car parts, make sure, guys, I repeat myself, make sure you go and get the genuine, oh no, make sure you get the genuine parts, guys. Make sure. Don't be deceived by other aftermarket brand or what may be the case. Make sure You get everything genuine, a top brand, guys. It lasts you longer. This probably gonna last who knows when. Last a long time, maybe about a good 10 years. Who knows? But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put this back into the box properly and make sure I don't mess nothing up. You feel me? You don't want to dent it or anything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like, hit that hype, leave a comment, hit that subscribe.
You whine me, you grind me, you squeeze me.